Hey everybody, welcome to Happily Healthy. We create inspirational health videos to help you happily succeed in your life. Today, we are going to go over tips to lose weight for good health. Make sure to watch until number 9 because it's one of the most amazing and healthy breakfasts ever heard. Do you want to lose weight by eating a good, healthy, and delicious breakfast? We will give you some tips. However delicious that bowl of sugary sweet cornflakes or that sandwich with chocolate may taste, those who would like to lose a few pounds should choose another breakfast. No inspiration or tired of that bowl of oatmeal as cold porridge? Then we are happy to lend a hand. A healthy breakfast is the most important meal of the day. However, secure breakfast gives you metabolism and boost. During sleep, your body is in sleep mode and burns energy more slowly than usual. A good breakfast ensures that your body has the right nutrients to get your metabolism going. Don't you make a good breakfast in the morning so that you can sleep a few more minutes? Stop that. Those few minutes don't make a difference. So you better get up 10 minutes earlier and make the best breakfast for yourself. If you do, you will certainly benefit from it. A healthy breakfast ensures that you have more energy during the day and it helps to maintain a healthy weight. Happily Healthy will start now to give you the best breakfast tips. Number 1. Smoothie time. A smoothie is always a good choice. Throw some of your favorite fruit into the blender and add some milk and optional oatmeal. A homemade smoothie is a tasty and healthy breakfast that will definitely help you lose weight. Moreover, you are in control of what goes into it. So it not only helps the weight loss but also breakfast with something you really like. You can make green smoothie as well. What are green smoothies? A green smoothie is, as the term already describes, a smoothie that consists of different fruits and vegetables, but not just a few collected fruits and vegetables. The smoothies are designed precisely to help you lose weight, boost your energy levels, and generally improves your health. In addition, chewing a piece of fruit or raw carrot is not for everyone. By mixing different types of fruits and vegetables in a delicious smoothie, eating these healthy snacks becomes a lot more accessible. Eating enough fruits and vegetables is a must. Number 2. Homemade granola. A boring breakfast no longer exists once you have discovered granola. You can experiment endlessly with it. It keeps you satiated longer due to the many fibers, and it gives a nice crunch to your regular breakfast. What often makes the supermarket varieties anything but light is their enormous amount of added sugar. You don't have to do that at home. Our favorite, a mixture of oatmeal, coconut flakes, chopped nuts, some coconut oil and maple syrup, and optional cocoa nibs for those with a sweet tooth. Number 3. Pimped yogurt. Just make your own fruit yogurt instead of buying the sweetened supermarket version. Buy frozen berries, put them in the microwave for a while, mash and mix with the regular natural yogurt. Tastes just as good and is much healthier. And for those who like something extra early in the morning, add some pieces of fresh pineapple or peach. They help with weight loss. But which yogurt do you use? Low fat or full fat yogurt? And cottage cheese? We from Happily Healthy will help you with that. Yogurt and cottage cheese fit perfectly into that picture. But be aware, then you have to opt for the variants without added sugars or other flavors. Lean variants seems better because they contain fewer calories. But various studies shows that it is better to eat full-fat yogurt and cottage cheese to lose weight. Like Greek yogurt, for example. That's because it's not just protein, also royal protein that makes you feel full. Fat also has that effect. Number 4. Oatmeal is gold. Oatmeal is also a good breakfast for weight loss. It contains the right amounts of sugar and fat. In addition, it contains a lot of fiber and carbohydrates, which is important for a good breakfast. Make sure that you eat oatmeal. For example, do not take muesli as an alternative because it contains much more sugars. Add some nuts and fruits for taste and enjoy your tasty breakfast. Extra benefits you can combine endlessly in oatmeal recipes and you are full of them. Number 5. Toast avocado. A filling breakfast gives you energy and makes you feel full for longer so that you are less likely to eat unhealthy snacks. 2 slices of whole wheat toast with some avocado and an egg immediately provide you with healthy fats and proteins for a healthy start to the day. Avocado toast is usually eaten for breakfast, but as mentioned before, avocado toast can also be eaten as a lunch or snack. Eating avocado toast for breakfast is a great way to start your day. This is due to the protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats in avocado toast with poached egg. Fats are indispensable for the body. They support cell growth, protect the organs, and help keep the body warm. They also ensure that important hormones are produced. Proteins are used to build and repair tissues. Proteins are also important for muscles, bones, blood, and skin. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for the body. For example, carbohydrates provide energy to your brain, heart, kidneys, and nervous system. Number 6. Buckwheat pancakes. Are pancakes unhealthy? Then you have never heard of buckwheat pancake. They contain slow carbohydrates, proteins, and they are gluten-free. The ideal and much tastier replacement for that traditional sandwich. Make the pancakes as usual, minus the sugar and replace flour with buckwheat flour. And let's face it, with pancakes for breakfast every day is a party, right? Number 7. Low-fat cottage cheese with raspberries. A good start to the day is made with cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is full of proteins, which gives you a lot of energy and gives you the feeling that you are full. This will automatically make you eat less. For the vitamins, add some raspberries or other fruit. Definitely a good choice during breakfast for those who want to lose weight. Prefer no animal products? Then there are now enough lactose-free quark varieties in every supermarket that have the same effect. Number 8. Wholemeal bread with avocado and cottage cheese. With this breakfast, you immediately get all the necessary nutrients. It is very and of course very tasty. The whole wheat bread provides the necessary fiber and carbohydrates during your breakfast. Avocados contain a lot of vegetable fats. This supports your heart and veins. And the Hutton Keza cottage cheese belongs to the dairy category and contains a lot of protein. If you want to lose weight, it is advisable to choose sufficient fiber and protein with your breakfast. This way, you are full for longer and the tendency to snack a lot is smaller. Number 9. Apple oatmeal breakfast. An apple oatmeal breakfast, super healthy and also good if you want to lose weight. You prepare this recipe for an apple oatmeal breakfast in the slow cooker, the microwave or the air fryer. Sometimes I add few slices of butter for the taste. But you can also do without it. And you can even prepare this apple oatmeal recipe in the microwave if you want. Especially easy if you don't have much time to prepare a healthy breakfast, but you still want to eat something other than a cracker and good for weight loss. By the way, did you know that the combination of apple oatmeal actually has a kind of apple pie taste? Not bad for breakfast, right? Number 10. Cracker with herb cheese and cucumber. Although the above breakfast recipes do not take much time, we can imagine that you also find it easy to just grab a cracker. For a healthy breakfast of crackers, be sure to grab Avasa's lightweight crackers if you want to lose weight. Cover it with a thin layer of herb cheese and place cucumber slices on top. This way you have a delicious healthy breakfast that is also nice and fresh because of the cucumber. Tip: sprinkle a little bit of aromat over the cucumber. Super tasty. Benefits of having breakfast. There is still a lot of research being done on the benefit of a healthy breakfast. However, there are a number of benefits that are supported by research. You will snack less. A regular diet in which the meals contain enough calories gives your stomach less chance of getting hungry in between. However, this is about stomach hunger and not about head hunger. Do you want to get rid of your hunger? Then check our YouTube channel for more videos about a healthy lifestyle. Reduced risk of obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. Research shows that people who eat breakfast have a lower risk of these diseases. However, this may also be because the people who had breakfast had fewer bad habits, such as smoking, drinking alcohol, and exercising little. It gets your digestion going. When you wake up in the morning, you often have not eaten anything for about 10 hours. Your body is in rest mode. Wake up your body with some food. Both the brain as well as the stomach and intestines. The better your digestive system works, the easier it will be to lose weight. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of happily healthy videos and much more. Check out this playlist of how to lose weight and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.